welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be taking care of some kitchen things. You guys know I've been working on the kitchen and trying to get it together. So today I want to focus on the flooring for it. So we're going to make a trip to Floor Decor because you guys know that I love their tiles and ceramics. I love their flooring, their different types of flooring. My kitchen backsplash is actually from Floor Decor. I got that done first as I guess phase one of when I started redecorating and kind of remodeling my kitchen a few years ago. Today I'm gonna, when I go in the store, I have this black paint chip which basically resembles my cabinets, and I'm gonna go and find this piece of backsplash and kind of try to match it with the different flooring styles that they have. So this is gonna help me out when it comes to actually getting to see what it's gonna look like with my cabinets and with the backsplash that I already have. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I've been wanting to redo my flooring for so long, and now we're finally at that point. So I'm actually gonna probably extend it from the kitchen throughout to the family room because it is open concept. And I think once I do the once I get this replaced, I'm just gonna do the entire thing. So let's roll out and see what they have. Okay fam, so it's a little loud in Floor Decor, so I decided to do a voiceover for the remainder of the video. So right here I have my paint chip and my sample, and the best tip that I can give you guys is that if you use this as a guide when trying to select your flooring, it just makes the process so much smoother and so much easier. Floor Decor has such a huge selection to choose from contemporary porcelain tile. They also have vinyl flooring in the modern tones as well as some wood tones. My favorite is the water resistant laminate. Especially with me working on my kitchen, I definitely am looking more towards the water resistant laminate and the AquaGuard laminate choices. So now using my paint and backsplash guide, these are a few of the flooring choices that I gravitated towards. I want to go with something a bit lighter because my cabinets are dark and I don't want anything that has like an orange undertone. I do like some of the dark flooring, but my concern is that if I have dark cabinets and a dark flooring, I want to make sure that I still lighten up the space. So the good thing is you can always get samples to take home from Floor Decor so that you can put it with your items in your space before you decide to actually purchase it. So that's what I'm gonna do, get a few samples of each one, take it to the house and see which one I like best, and then I will make my decision. So these are the three that I picked up. I have the light one, then the darker one, and then there's more of a gray brown. So this right here is the one that I'm leaning towards. I like how it's a mix between gray and brown. It's not too dark, it's not too light. All right, so if I back up, you can really see what it looks like against the black and the gold. Of course, I still have to put my knobs on the cabinet, guys. I'm just really procrastinating when it comes to that. But I'm gonna pick this back up after the holidays. I have some client projects that I need to finish before the end of the year. So at least I have an idea of what I want. Which it looks like this is the one that I want. I really like the way that looks.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiply.
Hey guys, good morning, happy Saturday, welcome back to the channel. So I just got dressed so that I can go out to get some gas in my car because I have to go on the other side of town. Well, I need gas anyway. But I'm going over to the perimeter area today to ZGallerie for a client because I'm working on a dining room space, and their taste is modern glam. So of course, when it's modern and glam involved, ZGallerie is the place to go. They're not really into the whole what do you call this, neutral modern aesthetic with, you know, the different wood and the stone. That's not really their vibe. They like it still shiny and all the things. So I'm gonna do that. And then they opened a Flying Biscuit up over here, so I want to try Flying Biscuit. When I try it, I actually have one over near my job, so I'm gonna order from there. Hopefully they have online ordering available, and then I'm gonna pick that up on the way over there. And yeah, that's what we're getting ready to do. It's really pretty today, but it is a bit chilly, so I'm glad I'm able to wear my little two-piece sets. You know, I love my two-piece sets with the little cutout. And I got my new Nike Dunks on. I've told you guys that I've developed like this whole new tennis shoe, I don't know what you call it. But anyway, y'all, let's go. Y'all see, premium gas is only $3.18. I think last time I talked to you guys about the car, I was telling you that my Jeep had started acting up, so I did end up getting a new car. I got a Lexus NX 300 Sport, and it takes premium gas, but I will say I haven't had any issues because Sam's has like the lowest price premium gas, and so I just fill up there like once a week. So it's like on my weekend list of things to do. But I'm about to go in here and pick up my Flying Biscuit order. Hopefully it's ready.
Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live.
All right, guys, we have made it to Perimeter Mall.
So you just go cut my hair?
My bad. We made it to Perimeter Mall. We're matching with the dunks. Dunk day. Hopefully they have what I need. Alright guys, so this is a cute centerpiece, I think, for a dining room table. I just don't know how much it is.
On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now, I feel amazing, I'm out of their range.
Mama looks so
Keep them guessing when they ask about us.
I'm probably gonna use these for the centerpieces.
And when I'm in them walls, you feel it in your bones. I've been on the road, this choke that I hold on your soul.
well, you better want it.
So I'm just gonna get this one, which is 70, and then the other one.
That's 70. Mine's decorated so expensive.
Baby, say please and thank you, cause your love has stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. Show a little appreciation, cause your love has stayed. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Cloud chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah.
Somebody stole my sweater. Y'all see how cute it is in the back.
He said, right.
Natural cookies from Great American Cookies. Try this red velvet. I hope it don't taste like chocolate. Why did you do it? I thought that was cute. It has. It's not bad. Come on. It's not bad. Oh, it's hard. It's hard.
I post a pic, they comments be tweaking. Usually won't, but sometimes I read them, leave them on red. I swear I can't please.
This is cute. I like the rhinestones. But they also have it in the gray and the rhinestone, which looks a little bit better. All right, I'm gonna get this.
Baby, say please and thank you, cause your love has stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. So put that on me for my baby, cause I always stay. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Cloud chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah, yeah. Told them that I give them life.
chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same.
I am at my client's house. This is the dining room that I'm working on. So this is what it currently looks like. We did add the rug at the bottom, which is the beautiful gray and gold rectangular rug. I absolutely love the way that it looks in the space. So I'm about to put out the items that I purchased that you guys saw me pick up at ZGallerie and a few other things. But we still have a long ways to go with it. But I do want to show you the start of the setup.